Alright, in order to create your WhatsApp sticker, you need to launch the application on your phone. If after you have installed it, you see this icon, this WhatsApp, the sticker maker icon, the one beside Telegram, yeah? So all you have to do is to press on it and open it up. It's going to launch the application for you. Now the application, because I've already created a sticker before now, that's why I'm having two sticker option here. We have the my sticker and the my collection. Those are sticker pack. So you need to create your own sticker pack by clicking create a new sticker pack. So just press on the create a new sticker pack. It's going to pop up with this. So there you fill in your sticker pack name and the sticker pack editor. Where does this apply? I will show you later. So I'll fill in a name. I can call this one my pack. Then who is the author? Created by Topsite. You can even add your phone number to it if you so wish. So I'll just click on create. So that will be created. So you need to open it. Press on my pack to open it up. Then it's going to launch you to this environment. If you scroll down, you will notice that there are 30 spaces in which I can actually create my sticker. So I'll go back up. The first icon there, the first box, is actually the tree icon. It does not include in the sticker. So this one basically allow you to upload a sticker that will represent the whole of the sticker pack. So I'll need to put a photo there. So by clicking on the first box, so clicking the first box is asking me to pick the image I want to use. You press on open gallery, then go and search for the image to use for that. So I'll just open my download. So under the download there, you search for a picture to use. So I'll be making use of this exchange of a gift picture. So that will be inserted. Now when you have your image on the screen there, if you scroll to the left, to the right, there are three options you can actually use in working with your image. The first option is the freehand. That freehand is talking about tracing out your picture. You can actually use your freehand by dragging or across the picture, you trace it out. While the square is talking about creating a rectangular drawing around the picture. While circle, create a circular drawing. So if I want circle now, just press on the circle, then I will drag a circle shape on that. So that is what I want to create. So the moment I release it, it's going to form that shape around. That will be what will be used for my sticker. I'll just click on save sticker. If you want to change the color of the outline, we'll do that later. So just click on save sticker. So you can see that sticker is already showing in the tree icon. Now if I want to add the sticker now, the first set of sticker, so I'll just click on the box one. The moment I click on the box one, it's going to pop up asking me to open your gallery. So just open your gallery. It has your phone pictures. Then in the phone picture, you search for the picture you want to use to create your sticker. So I'll go to my picture, and I'll select one of the pictures I want to use. I'll be using this particular one where I'm using a mask. So the moment I choose that, it's going to load the picture. Now the picture loaded, I'll use if I want to create a circular sticker, all I have to do is to select the circle and I'll draw it across it. So that creates a circular sticker for me. The moment I drop it on it, it's going to cut it into circle. Then if you now want to type text, press on that text at the top. You see the icon at the top. If you press on it, it's going to give you a pointer asking you to type. I might type stay save. Then before I close it, you can actually add a color to it. Just press on the color button at the top. You notice there is red, blue, white, and stuff like that. So I'll just press on the red. The color will change. Then you click on the pass mark at the top right. So you can move your text down by dragging on it. Just drag it down. You can expand it by using your two thumbs on it. Thumb left, thumb right. You just drag the thumb left to the left, thumb right to the right. And you're going to expand it that way. So just press your two thumb of your finger. one to the left, one to the right, then drag it to the opposite direction, then it's going to expand, make it bigger. So if I'm okay with this setting, I'll just click on save sticker. So the sticker will be added. So that is adding a sticker with a circular option. So what if I want to create a sticker with that I would trace? I'll press on the second icon, as the second box, to create that one. So I'll say open gallery. You can actually snap yourself immediately and use it to create a sticker. But I want to open from gallery, that's to use a picture that is already existing. So I'll search for the picture I want to use. I'll still press on my camera. I don't mind the food you are seeing there. So from here, I'll basically click on or look for one of my picture. I will use this one now. So with that, it will load the picture. So when the picture loads, so just take your free hand and use it to trace. So I can drag. I'll drag my finger on my screen while I use it to trace the picture around, just like that. You notice at the top it's showing you where your cursor is presently is. So I'll trace it around and I'll go back to the beginning. So I can add a text. I can change the color. If I want the outline to change to blue, that line that is showing red, I'll just press on the outline, and I'll select the blue color. So close that down. Then I want to add a text. I'll press on that text, click on the blue. So I'll just type what I want, and I say happy weekend. Then I'll choose the color that I want. That's turning that. So if I want to change the font, you just press on this T. That T means you want to change the way the font to look like, and as you keep pressing, it keep changing. So if you want a stylish font, then you have to use maybe something like this. Then the first icon basically help you change the pattern of your text. So I'll just maintain this one the way it is. So I'll just press the pass mark. Then with this, I can expand my shape out. Then I'll bring it down here. So after this, I'll just press on save sticker. So the moment I press on save sticker, the sticker will be added there. Now, how do I now add this sticker to my WhatsApp? Is by simply clicking on add to WhatsApp at the bottom part here. If you don't do that, it's not going to add it to your WhatsApp. So just click on add to WhatsApp. Now I have 2 WhatsApp on my system. Don't worry, this is a advertisement. I will have to cancel that. So I have 2 WhatsApp on my system, the WhatsApp, ordinary WhatsApp and the WhatsApp business. So where do I want to add it? I'll have to click. I want to add it to both of them. So I'll click on add to WhatsApp. Then I'll click again. You just click on add again, and I'll select add to WhatsApp business. In my own case, if you have just one WhatsApp, then you just click on the WhatsApp and move on. In fact, this one might not even come up in the first place. So after doing that, you can minimize your pack, go to your WhatsApp page. So from here now, I'll just open that. If I'm sending the sticker to myself, just press on the smiley icon at the bottom left of your typing option. So from here, you click on the sticker icon. That's the last icon at the bottom part, not the close icon, on the last icon at the middle. So you can see the icon is already showing there. That's the 4th icon under the smiley icon there, above the "Are you sure, baby?" So just press on it. It will show me the 2 stickers that I've created. So this sticker, you just choose the one you want to insert. Now the moment I click that, it's going to insert. I can insert the 2 of them. So see. So this one now, I'll just click on it and add it to favorite. So that anytime I want to use it, I'll just come to the favorite and I'll see it there. I can add both of them to favorite. So that is just how to create a sticker.